Like, it triggers you, doesn't it? Vlogging in public, we can still do it together, buddy. We're friends.
Turn it off. I'm genuinely angered by that.
Now we can leave.
Clamps.
Hello, my name is Dale Roossien. I am a YouTuber, content creator, artist, dad, / general human being. So today I want to talk about clamps and their uses within my work in this YouTube studio. Clamps, Dale's jerry rigs. Dale Roossien's jerry rigging. Clamps.
For the last defender.
Okay, so here we are in my jerry-rigged closet with an extreme close-up of my face, but it does make for a really good area to jerry-rig and turn into a vocal booth because it's dry and dead in here and there's a lot of clothes in a small space. Sometimes I'd bring my Zoom recorder in here and have a pop filter on it, but I wanted to kind of show you guys the environment in the space and just record straight into the Rode video mic on top of the A6500 here. I hope you guys got some kind of value or were entertained in some strange way. Clips. They came in handy here in this little makeshift walk-in closet vocal booth. Just put some blankets up, have a lot of clothes in here, and you can get a really good professional dead sound. Clamps, you know? It's not sexy, but, well, maybe they are. These clamps definitely aren't sexy. Way too heavy duty to be sexy. Did I really just say all that? Anyhow, clamps for filmmaking. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.